to turn your pictures into videos for reels and shorts.
The first thing you need to do is to go to the Capcut app, click on the app and click on new project, select the photos that you would love to use, and then we move on to the next stage, which is to start editing. Check on the clips, make sure that the clips are okay, and then we move to video effects. We click on video effects and we choose the effects that we love, and for this I'll choose the party effects and strobe. And the strobe effect, I'll make sure that I adjust the clips to the old pictures, and then I'll start with the style. So for the first picture, I will choose the particle dissolve and I will generate. That is for the first picture. Then I go on to the last picture of the clip and I go for the particle dissolve, the second particle dissolve style there, and I'll click and generate. And then for the second picture, I will go for the 3D Zoom Pro, and I will click on the 3D Zoom Pro and then generate. And for the third and final picture, I'll go for the 3D zoom, ordinary 3D zoom. So I'll check on my clip now. Do I love it? Yes, I do. I love it. So I'll remove the Capcut logo at the end of the video.